Welcome to the instructions video for the Angle of Refraction Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate how light bends when it passes from one medium to another using Snell's law. Whether you're designing lenses, working with fiber optics, or studying wave behavior, this calculator makes complex optical calculations simple and accurate. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter three values. First, input the refractive index of the first medium, such as 1.0 for air. Next, enter the refractive index of the second medium, like 1.5 for standard glass. Then, input your angle of incidence in degrees, which is the angle at which light hits the boundary between the two materials. For our example, let's use 45 degrees. Once you've entered all values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will apply Snell's law and display the angle of refraction, showing you exactly how much the light bends as it enters the new medium. You'll also see whether total internal reflection occurs when the angle exceeds the critical angle. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.